Hi guys, welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventures. So today guys, I'm gonna show you the baby bird here. The bird make a nest here in our flowers, hanging flowers. So now I'm gonna show you her babies. I think she have two babies or three. Yeah. Okay. So there's two baby inside. It's hard to see it closer, but I try. There's two baby. If you see the yellow, that's their head, and the other one in here. So that's a baby. I thought that is three because when get home last June 26, it's there's a one babies and two eggs, but I don't know. I think the one egg is not. It's broken. It's only two babies in here. That's awesome. They're cute. They're cute little bird. There's an egg. The one egg is not. Look. The white there. That's the egg. The mama is give them the food. That one. Oh my god, they're cute. I don't want to hold them because I know that before in the Philippines there's a baby bird in the nest, and then I hold it, and then the mother not came back anymore because I think because the mother knows that there's someone hold her babies, or I'm not sure about that, but that's why I did not hold it. They're cute. Oh my. Cute little baby. Sometimes their mouth is open. I think they're hungry like that. But now they're sleeping. Sleeping Beauty bird. I'm gonna try to do that if they're waking up. Oh, it's not. Oh, very cute. If they're hungry, their mouth is open. But now, nothing. Their feather started to grow now. Look at that. But there's a. You can see the skin. I think the feather is not that grow in that area. Cutie. You see, I'm gonna try to move this again. So they can open their mouth. No, they don't. Alright, so that's it. So I think I'm gonna end this video. This video is not that long, but I'm sorry guys that we don't have a video in a couple of days because we are here just nothing like this. I think maybe we're lazy to take a video, but yeah. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.